See, we cannot kick it. I ain't your girl. Like, don't DM me telling me you in the city or not. We not linking up. We not. Like it's Christmas. Every day Christmas. Spinning like it's Christmas. Yeah. Feeling like it's Christmas. I'm living like it's Christmas. Every day Christmas. Hey y'all, it's Olive Destiny. Some of y'all be thinking I say Olive Destiny. But if I've never said it here on my channel before, because I probably don't, why you be clapping so much. My name is Destiny. Hi. Hey y'all, it's Olive Destiny, and I ordered some stuff from Five Below. It's been sitting over there for a good while. I just got hot all of a sudden in these long sleeves, and I cut the ceiling fan off just for y'all. Girl, it's an ant on it. I've never ordered anything from Five Below before, but I usually kind of shop inside of Five Below. Why do I never buy myself a box cutter? We got bubble wrap, maybe. If you get this same bubble wrap in a gift package from me during Vlogmas, we're being efficient and, you know, saving the earth. Mind your business, just enjoy the gift. Dig right in, shall we? This is a wreath. I was rushing to edit one time and I think I typed wreath instead of wreath. I don't know. But y'all was like dragging me in the comments. Five Below, I think they got kind of like a section that's a little bit more than that now. It's white, green, and then silver. Some of them are glittery, and then, ooh, it's making a mess. Are just kind of shiny ones. Might hang this up in the film room or something. It was $5. The next, oops, I forgot I bought all of this cute stuff tea. Cute little trees. The at-home store has these same okay, they look a little bit different, let's be honest. But these are the gold ones that sit on our table right here in the living room. We'll figure something out for them. Treetop glisten trees. They were $3 a piece. Oh, see, this is what I needed. All of my clothing. They had a lot of different festive like attire and stuff. As y'all can see, I try to like, you know, look the part for Vlogmas. Depending on how good I am with my edits and if I try everything on, we got B-roll coming. So this says I'm on the naughty list. Comment down below if you've been naughty or nice this year. It's got 3 little balls on the sleeve, a red, green, red. Same thing on the other side. It's kind of see-through. You could definitely wear this maybe, I don't know, like if you're gonna get together with family on a holiday Zoom call or something maybe. I got it in a medium. It's polyester and spandex. On the bottom it's like that. So the next shirt that I got said, what does it say? Dear Santa, I really did try. I got it in a medium. Sometimes I like my shirts to kind of fit me a little bit kind of big. Throw this on with a jacket or something. Why I ordered so many shirts? How many days of Vlogmas we got left? I'm gonna have to wear one each day. I remember this one when I was browsing. Gingerbread man on it. Oh snap, and then his foot is like broken right here. Also a medium, and it's green. Unboxings are so weird. We describe things that are so obvious. The next shirt, oh, I could take a cute Instagram picture in this. It says chemistry. I wonder if this one says that, like the label on it. They all got different little labels, whatever. The whole point of sitting in here was for y'all to see the tree. Christmas vibes. Medium, and it's a little more of a women's type of fit, sorta. And it's just gold and sparkly, and it just says naughty or nice. I got another one that says the same thing. I'm tripping. $5. A lot of my graphic tees, even when they're not holiday related, I get them from Five Below and Walmart. The Mickey hat! See if it fits. I put this hat on, fun fact, since it's Vlogmas. I just wanted to sit my wig on my head but not lay it. Curl the ends or something and then throw your hat on. Look! Oh, this is cute. Oh, I got 2 of these. These are the lounge pants. I think this was like in the men's category, but I was just looking for all holiday related things. Look at me. You see how quick I was with that thumbnail? Gotta get it, okay? It's like a fleece sort of material, so they're not like cotton. I mean, they probably are cotton. Check the tag. 100% polyester. Say ho, ho, ho. They're red, green, black, and white. I got one in a medium, and then I got another one in a large. Yeah, these definitely from the men's section. Is it a real button? Yeah, this is in the men's section. What am I doing? Type of bottoms on it. I'm gonna assume that I would fit the medium. These are some over the knee socks that I got. Ooh. So if you want to dress up, maybe take a cute picture for Instagram, you could wear some long socks like these, some kind of cute booties or something, maybe some heels, cute little Santa girl outfit, Mrs. Claus, short like skater girl skirt or something. You can make these work on a cute Instagram picture. Stay tuned, she might do something like that. So I'm gonna share with my little sister Boone. My little sister Boone used to love long socks when she was in middle school or high school when Boone used to wear them long socks too. She said both. I'm gonna put these on the film room bed. So I like the fact that these are reversible. If you've ever bought pillows before, then you know they get expensive for no reason. The fact that Five Below had pillows literally for $5, I was happy. Checkerboard, white and gray on this side, and then white with gray just says cozy on this side. Pretty sure it was $5. Yep, and then it's the Luxe collection. It's got a tag that you can give it to someone, but our film room is white and gray, so I'm gonna put this in there. This one says Mary on this side and red, and black checkerboard on that side, also $5. It's 100% polyester, and the size, if I'm guessing, these might be 14 by 14 or 12 by 12. I'm gonna say 14 by 14, yeah, because I'm pretty sure I'm right. And the last thing I have in here, thank goodness we're keeping it short today, another long sleeve shirt. Here comes Santa, and then it looks like Santa is going down the chimney. Like how the sleeve looks. These are sort of see-through, but I don't feel like all long sleeve things have to be super thick because it's already winter time anyway, or probably still fall, I don't know, don't judge me. But you have to put on layers, so I feel like you would have on a coat or something anyway. Oh, this is kind of textured. The feet and the words are kind of glittery. Right on his boot is fake little fur right here. It's kind of giving a 3D vibe to the shirt, and then the chimney portion is sort of glittery as well too. That is it for the Five Below stuff, maybe. I got Jackie's candles. I hate when I say people's names as if you all know who they are. Because I was watching a video and Tracy Ellis Ross literally introduced herself. It just meant something to me, I don't know. Jackie Aina, she is a fellow YouTuber, and she came out with her own candle line called Forever Mood. I missed the first collection. I think I had turned on my notifications, and I also set up to be like on the email list where she was gonna send you a password or something and then you go shop. They sold out, I missed it. But then she came out with these. I think she actually got some different ones now for the holiday. I'm late opening these, so they've been sitting over there for a minute. Ooh, I smell them. Hey, which one is that? Girl, this packaging is, ooh, this is so luxe. Y'all, this packaging feels so good. Wow. Jackie, if you see this, hi. This is not PR or anything, by the way. I did order this myself with my own money, Forever Mood, but it's just a must. Right here it says open to get lit. Get it lit. I probably just ruined it right now. All of the candles right here, these are Jackie's candles. They so bougie. And so I'm gonna tell y'all which one is my favorite. We're gonna smell them and see. This is skinny dipped. On the bottom it does have your burning tips and everything. Skinny dip gives me vanilla vibes. Yeah, vanilla is something else. I can't think of it. This one is called Hey Big Head. That's when you post a cute picture on Instagram. They like your picture, but they don't put the comment right there, and they want to slide in your DM privately. And y'all used to talk, but now y'all kind of don't talk no more. So he just gonna open up the conversation with Hey Big Head. Let's see what Hey Big Head smell like. It gives me the vibes of exactly what I just said. Coffee bean. Y'all know those cute coffee drinks with the hazelnut and all of that y'all favorite YouTubers make on their YouTube channels and stuff? That's what this smells like. I don't drink coffee, but this gives me the vibe of coffee, a Starbucks or Dunkin'. I don't know how Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts smell, but pastry type of things that you would eat with coffee, that's what this gives me. I like that one. The next one in the collection is Grown Folks Business, period. This going in my bedroom. Yeah. Y'all, this one smells good. I can't explain it. Don't expect me to explain this scent too well, but it smells very mature. Not really sweet, but like, I ain't finna act like I can try. But this is Grown Folks Business, literally. And the last one that I have here, this is We Not Linking, period. We not listen, I'm 29. You cannot message me on no,
hey, let's hang out, let's kick it. I'm just trying to see, I remember you from blah, blah, blah. Woo, woo.
Trying to see, we cannot kick it. I ain't your girl. What he say on ATL? We ain't boys. We can't skate together. None of that. We not linking. Like, don't DM me telling me you in the city or not. We not linking up. We not. I don't want to go nowhere. But this is We Not Linking. I'm stretching it. Ooh, cinnamon for sure. Cinnamon, spice, naughty or nice. So those are the 4 candles. If I have to pick a favorite, I'm gonna say, I'm not gonna tell you because I haven't lit them yet. I feel like you have to light a candle to really know. Y'all know what? These are stronger to me than the Bath & Body Works ones. Even with them not being lit, the throat and the fragrance of it, or the aroma, or however you want to put it, is very much strong. It's very much giving bougie candle grown woman vibes. So the note that I have right here, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or your bathroom, you decide. XOXO. Jackie Aina. Jackie. So I also ordered this. Oops. So this is from IMANIA Beauty. I'm probably saying that wrong. So this is the thank you card. I ordered this from her. I was watching one of her videos on how, you know how like some YouTubers, they'll film behind the scenes of how they're running their business. And she was showing basically her like working on her own brand and packaging her orders and bottling her oils and everything. So this is a thank you note. It says, "Thank you, Destiny. We appreciate your support and patience with us for the launch of IMANIA Beauty and want to officially welcome you to the IMANIA crew. I hope I'm not saying this girl name wrong. Be sure to capture before and after pictures while tracking your growth. Tag us and use IMANIA Beauty on all social media platforms. We hope you enjoy. So this is the card that I got with my order. I'll do separate B-roll of that. Super cute. And then the oil itself, it matches her packaging, like the branding. I like that. This is the oil right here. It's like smooth and sleek. It's not like papery, if that makes sense. Gives me good quality vibe. Look at that. Tell me these YouTubers don't be showing out. Yes. So this is the oil. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Come on. Oh, it smells good. Oh yes. It's the high maintenance elixir multi-purpose hair and scalp oil. 100 milligrams of CBD. Stimulating herbs. This is the 2 fluid ounce bottle and it's frosted glass, good quality, so you get what you pay for. And then it just has the dropper in here. Okay, let me stop before I waste my oil. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. Well, if any of the YouTubers who I just unboxed y'all stuff, if y'all see this, congratulations on your business. Things like that really excite me and motivate me, and yeah, I just like that a lot. Now, I also ordered this from Twisted Saints. This is a Leah J's clothing line. And this is the diamond bear shirt in a medium, which is perfect for the holiday season because it's all festive and cute. Ooh, the quality on this is nice. Let me not get makeup on it. Really thick, nice beading right here. Short sleeve and it's kind of attached. It's sort of like gems and stuff like that. Very Leah J vibes on this. I love it. And she's a Cancer girl like me, so y'all know it the best. I'm always repping Cancer gang. If you're a Cancer, comment down below. If you're anything else, it doesn't matter. I only want to know about the Cancers. No, I'm kidding. Everybody can rep below. I think that's a letter P. And then just the bear. Now he's super blinged out. Wow. I can't wait to wear this. However I do it, it's gonna be so extra. Look at that. Yes. Come through, Aaliyah. Listen, sis. This looks good. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my God. I want to go ahead and do my unboxing of this bag as well. I purchased this when we were in Nashville. You may have seen that vlog in a previous Vlogmas video. So I actually have 2 bags. I'm such a procrastinator. I've been waiting to open this so that I can wear it. I feel like if I haven't properly unboxed it or unbagged it for YouTube yet, that I'm just like, okay, I can't carry it yet. I hate thinking like that. 2021, I'm not gonna think like that. So this is how it comes. It's like this dust bag, the Marc Jacobs on it, and then you just take the bag out. This is like super quick. That's why I don't know like why it took so long to just go ahead and open it. Because they have the snapshot and then they also have the soft shot. So this is the soft shot basically because it's soft. And the suggested retail is $3.50. And the color that I got it in is cement multi. And when you look at it online, it looks smaller than that to me. And then on the top, it just says the Marc Jacobs as well. Turn that down. I love that it has 2 zippers right here. I'm such an over-the-shoulder purse kind of girl. You just unzip it. Let's see. Just has all of the tissue paper inside. There aren't any, my bad, I'm not even in the frame. So this one is just empty. In here is just black on the inside, not any like zippers or card holder sections or anything. And that one on the back, it is like a little slot. You can't probably fit a whole phone in here. If you stand it up this way, maybe you can. The strap is inside of here. So if you saw me like try it on in that video, this is where the strap is. This is where the card section is, our second section. Y'all know what, when I bought it, I didn't even check all of this in the store. I do a lot of browsing and looking and watching like unboxing videos before I make purchases, like ones that are kind of like more of a big deal to me. I wouldn't even say more of a big deal. If I want to decide which gum is the best, I'm gonna like do a little research. You can put 2 cards here, and it also says the Marc Jacobs right there as well. This is my authenticity card, the Marc Jacobs right here. 100% cow leather, like a little care booklet, multiple languages. So yeah, the Marc Jacobs leather product is constructed using naturally tanned leather. It is therefore a delicate product, and any incidental tonal variations, marks, or veins are natural features and should not be considered imperfections. I won't bore you all with the rest of what this says. This is the strap. The straps are interchangeable on these. Like they sell the straps separately that you can buy, and it just has the 3 little hooks on this side. I like the construction of this. It's really thick and nicely made. Other side where it also has the 3 little hooks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it on. There we go. And this is the bag on. So this is where the bag comes on me. I'm 5'2.5", heavy on the inner half. There you can adjust this, which I probably would adjust it just so that it kind of hits me maybe here. But I don't know. This is like a good length. It's bigger than my YSL bag. You could fit a pretty good amount in it. For vlogging, I would be able to just throw my vlog camera in here as well as the tripod. Let me know if y'all want like what's in my purse type of videos, or which type of purse y'all want me to do it with, or if you just want to know what's in it and you don't care which bag I do it with. But bigger purse, so more stuff will go in it. This gives me casual vibes. You could dress this up if your outfit is plain. You have a statement type of bag to dress it up with. I said this year that I was going to perfumes and then purses or bags, kind of. I don't have like a huge purse collection or anything, but I wanted this one, and I like the color on it, the fact that it's neutral but it's still a statement type of color. The gold detailing right here is really nice quality as well. It kind of sticks out a little bit, you can see too. This is just a really nice bag, really nicely made. The zipper goes around pretty smooth. And both of the zippers have this cute tassel detailing on it, and it also says the Marc Jacobs right here. Nice detail put into every aspect of this bag. It doesn't have hardware on the bottom for when you sit it down, but that's fine. So yeah, this is my new bag. Okay, so this is the other bag that I got, the super little cute mini one. This is perfect. I think I said in the video for like a girls night out. I know sometimes when people see small bags like these, they're like, what you gonna put in it? But obviously it's not for if you need a lot in your purse, you know, regardless of who you're out with. If it's a night or a day where you literally only need your keys, or if you're not driving and you don't need keys, all you need is your ID, your card, or cash, some lip gloss. That's what this is for. It has its purpose, it has its place, and it's a statement. Everybody will ask you about this bag because it's so different and little and mini, you know. A little slot in the back, which I'm pretty sure a card could fit in. It says DKNY. I think when I tried to link this for you all in the video where I actually purchased it, I only saw the black one and the red one, so my bad. Like a little lock right here, and then it just dangles the D, the K, N, and Y. I haven't taken the little protective covering off of it yet. This isn't adjustable or anything right here. Snaps closed like that, and then just has the paper inside. No slots or anything. Oh, it does have a slot. You got a secret pocket. Love a purse with a secret pocket. I didn't expect a mini one to have that. Fit some things inside. And then this is the bottom. I like how it kind of goes in right there, so when you sit it down, the bottom of it isn't touching, but this and that would be. The chain is like, it's not heavy. Obviously this purse at all wouldn't be heavy. Y'all saw the vlog, I almost stole it. Love the gold detailing, super cute. So today's surprise giveaway items, you will be receiving the Omaton, don't know, but it's an adjustable stand. This is the one that's brand new. I'm not gonna open it all the way, but it is inside of here, the same color that I have. The pink one, I pulled mine out just to show it to you all what it'll look like. I know a lot of my subscribers are iPhone users, but no worries, you can still put your phone on this. When I'm live on Instagram with you all, if I'm trying to multitask and watch videos, and you can actually charge your phone underneath here. That way if you're trying to, you know, be live or something versus it sitting flat, prop it up and still charge your phone. You can tuck your cords through the back just like that, whatever you would prefer, either way. It's pretty sturdy. It does have the rubber grip along the bottom. A lot of you all ask me about this in my vlogs usually, so I definitely wanted to gift you all one of these. And of course, my favorite perfume. You'll also receive the Pink Sugar perfumes. Thank you all so much for your support. Check the description box for the giveaway details. That is all that I have for today. If anything is linkable, I'll try to link it for you all down below. Questions or comments, leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.